nwaanyị nwoke Elija Enugu si nọ na ma dowere ndị Igbo na bondage for years. Dowe in a bondage. Na-enwebere family ha tebe hotenko bana abịa. Jobless idiots in our land. Make claim to the reverend fathers, criminals. That hate freedom. Elija Enugu voiced out today before they say, Governor of your state, stand up! Governor for your state, stand up! Why do you want to destroy the government of Tinubu? That the reason why the kidnapping is going on in Oyo State is just to attack the government of Tinubu. That this is the same thing that happened during the time of Goodluck Jonathan. That the same thing started in order to pull down the government of Goodluck Jonathan. When he said this, and I don't know whether he had forgotten that he was the engineer, the engine room that pulled down the government of Goodluck Jonathan. This arrest that Soludo have started, I will join hands with him. Bring more petition to undo Dogachi. We have a lot of them, Reverend Fathers in Anambra. A lot of them as Reverend Fathers, Bishop, thieves, jobless people. One of them, Unuke, wanted to manipulate His Excellency Tuoma Soludo when he won the election. He started shouting as they normally used to shout with microphone, being made by 9-year-old child in China. Only China, the 9 years now microphone, and you are not ashamed of yourself at the age of something years. It's a microphone, if you are there, Meggy, in a Bama 21st century, if you are having difficulty urinating, take a catheter, you'll be producing urine through the catheter. Solution to solve problem, and that is miracle because it's made for every living human being. Miracle is when you create an idea to benefit to benefit every human being, for every human being to benefit from it. Now, your own case is different. So I'm here to appreciate Soludo. I really want to appreciate you, sir. Ibi Homa Merendibo. Only meet here to Anambra State, man, no insult to your effort. Thank you for saving Indibo. Thank you, sir. Thank you now for you go my merenji TV. Munde go mo ID mo kanko. Go mo mu ndem dey una comment section. When if hammer. They don't know anything. Yama be enemy. Ibu enemy onye ozo. Since you the enemy Ezeaku, anu onam. Since you women ewege, mo vie weapon nalo. Amukata na mo nwasi na mada amozi. Some of you na agwo na ejoka kana achọ nwa. O ihe ndaba. Man icho hi wata no ihe ndaba. Icho hi wata no madu me name ta he nwa. Somebody when power women name amota nwa the same person arap able president in Nigeria. Enwe nwanne anyị nke sị na ya na-achụ aja na wori kwende bayo the name of omenana na ya na-achụ aja na-achụ ndị mmadụ aja na scam our people. He once told us na enwe ndị na-ati aka wọlọ mkpụrụ obi mmadụ were je gwọ ọgwụ ego, which I told him ọ bụrụ na this country bụ country na all of you will be in prison if you did not provide the evidence onye anyị were mkpụrụ obi nwatakịrị je agwọ ọgwụ ego. Now the same person had problem with onye anyị chairman Iru whereby he went and wrote petition submit to the police station. Police went and arrest the person. Instead of you were afọ onye report or to that your shrine na-eje achụrụ ndị mmadụ aja. Ofu shrine ga-abụ ndị mmadụ nwee nsogbu ha gbapụta gị n'alụghị ego si ya na shrine ga-emere fife dị otu a. Now you encounter reality, you encounter the same problem ndị mmadụ na-enwe. So say due process by writing petition to arrest the person. By arresting the person with police, who is fleeing who? It's all you make a brain again. The day reality will hit you. Go to Parkland Hospital, you see people there dying because of poverty. Our women need dinner now because of 1 pint of blood. 1 pint of I can have every day and the woman could to keep silent. 1 pint of blood, something thousand. The husband will not have money to buy something. It's in a practice Christianity. Neighbor one Jesus. Now Jesus is ready. Your nigga yota in Jesus. When you're China, you in front of your chebon, you in front of your UK citizens never know your coyota. Because every month, Mado Buchi be government. Here, His Excellency Soludo and like it. Every month, government, and we get going to go on UK. I'm just trying to wake you up from your numbers. And when you find make it in China, come on, a government in China, it's easy to relieve them from that pain. Even in the Bible today, from Rome down to England, Bible, because some of you don't know how all this thing started. After the Europeans killed millions of Africans, Asian countries, they created this religion called Christianity. They agreed not to have one man, one wife. And because of tradition and culture, King Henry VIII preserved his inherited culture and pulled out from Catholic Church. When King Henry VIII got married, and all their family, but the only people as a king and queen in England, he did. Or what Pope that he wanted to marry a second wife, Pope refused. He pulled out from Catholic Church and established Anglican and got a second wife and gave birth to just to protect his forefathers' tradition and culture. He had to pull out from Catholic Church and establish Anglican Church so that his inherited word of life will not die because of religion being organized by man. England, Rome, King Charles, go and read the history. King Charles will only break the history after 400 years. The history is there. King Charles visited Rome as of last month. The news, CNN, the first time for the family of King James VIII, King Henry VIII, he visited Rome again after he separated from Catholic Church. Last month, King Charles visited Rome. The news circulated everywhere. They separated from Rome. No longer Anglican Church. King James, King James Bible. Queen Elizabeth, King Charles, but the King of England today. King Charles will visit a Pope last month to the news everywhere after 400 years of separation. King Charles break a record. But all this in a practical history, man, I manipulate when you na more. No God, no matter what somewhere. When you have a spirit, no God disappear, Ghana heaven. No God, make money here free. No God, solve one back free. Work and don't weaken your energy. And when you have free, you must work for everything you have today. But those things you work for, you are giving the glory to Jesus and Juju instead of giving yourself the glory. So we are here to thank our governor. Thank you very much. The condition is very simple. Guide you, put her from prison. When I work on UK, senior na vision. Where His Excellency Charles Chukuma Soludo win election, no chat for the video. Otiwempu, Soludo, Balobianota, no for Kabalgebwe. Everybody, one of us watch the video. Soludo, where reply, and your man and Soludo guy man. No Soludo Kahamali Feni, Brazil mother, where human conscience. Soludo, where we are see a father, Biko, solve other problems. Go to our His Excellency page, the post cannot be. See, I solve other problem in Nigeria. Allow me. My own chief will protect me. Now, when I Soludo Mamugo, any Amugu, Soludo no one, I just said, not body when I Soludo Mugu, or try to tear Soludo, don't know the phone when they tell you. Soludo China first teller. I'm about to hear what China second teller now. On a hand to say up, and we will never Soludo. Kidia will know why. When I work at Elija Enugu, no Nevama, don't indeed when a bondage for years. The one in a bondage. Name of a family at table, Tenko Banabia. Jobless idiots in our land. Make claim to the Reverend Fathers, criminals. Criminals that hate freedom, that are leading our pregnant mothers to a daily basis. We go to young youths in our land through deception and fake prophecy. You heard what he said about Tinubu and kidnapping a man of Oyo. Elija Enugu voiced out the day before they say, Governor of Oyo State, stand up! Governor of Oyo State, stand up! Why do you want to destroy the government of Tinubu? That the reason why the kidnapping is going on in Oyo State is just to attack the government of Tinubu. That this is the same thing that happened during the time of Goodluck Jonathan. That the same thing started in order to pull down the government of Goodluck Jonathan. When he said this, and I don't know whether he has forgotten that he was the engineer, the engine room that pulled down the government of Goodluck Jonathan. When I Elija Enugu na kidnapping and men Oyo State to pull down the government of Tinubu. No, they have during the time of Goodluck Jonathan. So when I Elija Enugu machana killing Nina and men go outside to pull Goodluck Jonathan's government down. Man, again, my pattern at first night in room 2015, where one jet all Buhari vote openly, widely, with a microphone. I was there live as a direction number. You open your mouth saying that Goodluck Jonathan meets our oil had bad luck and collapse. Goodluck Jonathan meets our economy had bad luck and collapse. In my point of saying that Goodluck Jonathan be disappointment on Nigeria. You was here the video, the plate is still everywhere. In my point of why now the whole Nigeria be see bele, now the whole bishop be see bele, the whole reverend father be see bele, the whole pastor be see bele. Jesus was there bele when Muhammad Buhari. Right? You say this thing with your mouth. That Buhari says, I voted for Buhari 2015. The whole adorers voted for Buhari. Now, you know, why no, they have Melo, Neme Tinubu Keta, Meleji during the Chichi. So, imagine all propaganda. Imagine the during patient when you governor, President Bewa, what there is God. Now, clearly, Nina Boke, where what to win, Mugan with Yuzaka, what to a fine. Ibesibo mad. Ego no natural Kebonujiaga. Kebonujiaga. All those money and a pack and a couple of people ego. One more huge better solve an ego. One more Fiji better with the men well. Mention one thing. Mention one thing, better in a joke, Mathias Ezeaku of your own or 4-story building. Come in well. Or name on in different places in Anambra. Kedifiji better moto on one. Amokatamas and Madame was on the Kamada de Hota. Or malaria name Mokibana Hano Domeg. Or your mother no Oya in a high oil. One more fee on Jetty, this in a very good program on Uncle Benemy, and it was someone's uncle. Madonna family kick Carakafa. Answer me. Madonna kick Carakafa. Conable Uncle Mado. Am I I'm just trying to defend you, to save you from the propaganda of evil religions in our land. So everybody in the land should stand up to thank His Excellency Charles Chukuma Soludo. Put politics aside. Let's face reality. Soludo is man of the people. Obono more Soludo na Refa. Obono no mo ifo nya na eme obono no ma ndi nda abugolo obono no ma ndi ndoka na ndas na ha na wo bugolo meninchi imakwana I risk my life freely without being paid by anybody. Tinye ndomo challenge big pastors, they arrested me. Onye buru mobuje ma abucha. You have power to make something happen. Maneza akwazi egezo will come and arrest me. You whole pastor when the power ga be police people are say people get by. Now, when I become a reality to hit you as a pastor, the next thing you're going to be job, follow due process. A whole Zokome, one of the biggest lawyers in Nigeria. Kandara, will laugh and men, desire, will laugh and Jenny, a petition with against me. Remember, I was Abuja. Ndala. in that land, a whole big lawyer like that. Him and the ban office, you know him, I'm here, what is you? One of the most sincere lawyers in Nigeria. And he plays the role as a father. Mathias Ezeaku. Because I want the freedom of my people. I risk my life to defend you. Go to village, UK. You go to Germany, go to village, or the Kaibano man gave you. You go to China, you go to Qatar. Qatar will be there. But THS Okuna Nankete. Agamo Doha and Tivembu. J Qatar, J Doha. From whatever you are, but the white and white. Now 2028 moto. Umaka Gocha University. A man be one on our one in our born today. Now, Bamoto, maybe is about. Only an about 200,000 naira salary in Nigeria. If a man be one is a bono. Million hour. Nay, is about one now is a moto. How? How? A graduate. A graduate which I'm with 200,000 in Nigeria. Now, God has an ear. And with the work of 200,000 as your monthly salary, you cannot live in a good house when moto kegi. Now, while that beyond when no roton of your own without scamming, without putting scam into that work in now. A woman criminal activities they are also unable. I have told you this. So good number they need 2,000 in the morning, 2,000 afternoon, 2,000 in the night. That is 6,000 naira on daily basis. Okay, so when you should stand up, we use your Facebook platform, congratulate Suludo, thank him for his efforts to liberate me and you. Without the governor German in car now, you get what I have hang charity never fake. My father, my pastor. Anything religion will fake. Come on, why you want to be in the game once. Suludo make a change. Upon your Zaya continue. Religion can you mention one and I'm telling you the fact. Because the Bible half is you, they follow that is you. Come here, can you convince you by any have is you? Religion can you mention Diana and Ibo can deep when on with. One here religion with them. Oh now, Pastor Mountain on Fire. I was going the Mountain on Fire Gana video with you. He did it as a father. I love that. If you know you better go and no profession against him shall prosper. Showing a Virginia and Hannah Gab rubbish. Virginia and Hannah Gab scam. Every kind of Japan, everybody are kidding and their liver. Because of insecurity now, my Mountain on Fire pastor, that is you and God that all the whole night video should be cancelled. Starting from today because of insecurity. Which simply means killing a gabragab rubbish. No way honor. Because someone know honor rocket is for the effect. Doesn't know what's kidnap Hannah, I don't have vigil. And when I'm on your nebuluma, you have a bumma, and when I'm on my when you buluga and wab muddy big. When you game make it, they might have a mud your government. When I got the open morgan. If you need a good hospital in Nigeria, when they fly abroad, the money. I'm telling you the fact. I'm telling you the fact. In way very good sickness, come to my office and see by yourself. Now, pastor is banning night video. Why? Because reality have hit them. Elija Enugu, when they take the governor of war, your state stand up. Why can't your Holy Spirit stand up in Oyo? Go and pick those kidnappers. Open a church is your to the government. They protest in the government house. Why can't you do one more? Under kidnap on your state, they all need more Nigeria can find on Cameroon. So helicopter and TG any more you will see where they are being kept. Then the Chipon girls. Those Chipon girls now they are mother of 4 or 5. How they got adapt to that criminal bandit life now in Sabisa Forest. Hey, what you got love of their life there. How much I go there. Even if some of them now happy about they will not come out. Because of the 80 male of love her. 2 women came, but not 2 young kids. 2 young kids. No, you're more fuck here like that. But anymore. No. Imo wata where they are as well. Oh, to organ because that is what they have been adapted to. And if you can buy them on every Bible now by nature, you go for now. You didn't channel AK-47. Now when I chineke the lack we need Giego. Back watch chineke in a go on your channel again. If I name it, shame. In will shame. Chineke Mbonwa to with the name of the founder and Nibo. Who not charge us in twinkle of eyes. Tiwako, you both singing Chineka Motan Befa. Now he won't one, no bring any with it. Now one a miracle, tears a miracle in my money create miracle through your resources. Here Jarufo now no have Congo Napata. Congo. But the Congolese now in desert praying. Mania Jarufo nas na Congo Apata. Congo on a desert now to Europe. Now try their enemies. Nay, when a Bible go Uchinek, Chinek in the Dow, on Yamara Gwengilish, I'm go to Uchinek. Indeed, believe in this UG. Be Owabage sack. Owabage Sandocha. Ndocha will read your mego. Why did you big on your chasebo Ganon? When did you know which you take gas? You get a teacher on in a check Moses and Elijah men at desert. How will you think of going to moon? Every now Elijah and Amoma Balos is same Mary so. In Amo free something imagination. To have with your own imagination, Western education. Even they say, well, I try X, I say find X, you check the extra X times raised to power 2. When I try X on your channel, call the motor. How many England cities in the university? Britain and English. How many of their children are going to university? Naga high institution. How do you seek a good college? They are okay. Before now, go to college, or produce something you can never expect at the age of 9 years. You know, about the 30 years, you can get any masters. Iji master degree. No, that no bomb milli caller. No bomb milli beginning on Anambra State once. Sitting in Numili. Man, you will put to foot with no bomb milli to bona milli say. Pablo give me an acco. Here, Bolo give me an acco. Now, you John the panties in easy. Of the Wawa. Enjoy when a bella was in there, John the panties in easy. In Africa. No, we need to buckle up. We need to stand up. Defend our land. John the panties in easy. Now, Ben. John the Baptist bụ nwanne gị. Ya rapụ mụ nwa beza akụ nwanne gị mana gị atụ alụ ka moto ụzọ Enugu Ọnịcha igbu mụ na gị. Kedu ife anyị ga-eme ka edozie anya? Ị na-agwa m n'oge nke ndị oge ndị Solomon and Gomora na nwunye Lot wọrụ nnu. Anyị kedu mme na ebe ka ọ nọ ọnụ na-agụ ata. Na River Niger kedu ebe ọ nọ na Asaba. A na-akọ eriri gị brain. All no Islam but their religion to our land before Christian. By now mụ na ga-abụ Muslim. You can't even reason. By now I ga-abụ Muslim. Obono Chinese but their religion. By now, I got Buddha. China na practice their culture and tradition. Speak their mother tongue. Japan the same thing. India the same thing. So many countries the same thing. Indian India wafa today practice their mother tongue and their inherited religion. Kegi mwabi wele na kegi tufo. Jido fo na ge bwa yoko. Jidi kenga na gije che donya molo bwa yoko. Jeze ke gote foto nyo cha kula apo. Do wesi na ka abho kege bevo. Ndi bosi no nyo mo bi opokore wele akpa afefia. Actually hini na dem ma free. Ki use phone iPhone 17 consumer ki use iPhone madu do wele frame na start this phone dress get the audio to afufu onya ataga ofu. Do you know what it takes them to process this to be like this? All suffer also sasoya na romo anya bani jolo to jen captain jen night then we chin through prayer free God go zege go the phone ibo yeri e wetana 50 million say but onye ngworo enwe 17 local government na Anambra State but onye ngworo Jesus meloga biji Botonya akpụrụ ise kpere ọfọbọzụ. Botonya adala ogbe ikpuru okwu. Ma still na akpọ masị ndị n'ofọ na ya mda na agwụ na onye ogbe ikpuru. Solo da abịago na. Ọ sị half of the kafia. His Excellency abịago. My agitation have motivated the whole sitting governor to pick action. So I'm a great man who have fought for the good of ndị Igbo. Ihe niile gburu nne gị na nna gị bụ ignorance. Ignorance of health. Poor medical attention. Here. Dora kunye nwụrụ because of cancer. Mama nke nọ n'uke agboka nketa mmụ ya nwụrụ because of the same cancer. Reverend Father sị nọ na oncologist department get na Nigeria, they no less than 6,000 in number. Reverend Father's not oncologist department down in cancer. Now that is 6,000 in number. Pastors the same thing. And that is why your Reverend Father, you can never hear Reverend Father no. You know, because religion want to sell everything about their criminal activities just to fool you. And when you go to see church, you know, Father no going to here. No, Father will be admitted in the hospital. You might feel not transfer get another branch. Because now when Father with cancer no you get more. Then you gonna jomo Jesus and warrior. Why no goes here? Church in especially Catholic Church, but one of the first church be established where a lot of investment in an Igbo for the good of themselves. And when you go to see Father J crusade, na Pentecostal gathering, oh better miracle. No, if Father name on go law school, the greatest miracle Oma name exists in all law school for every time no makaya wow. And I want to talk about when man bury the family like Jesus in your fego. New York about trauma for practical. The solution to family hard for them to look for money and pay, not going to the child. When you pay the school, the father will not generate the money, use it to solve his practical problem. And they are still washing your head, washing you every day. That your case is different. No way profession against you shall prosper. Where others go and fail, you shall go and succeed. The whole sacrament in on a neighbor, that's a CCTV camera, the whole chapels. Because Nandori be those sacrament, the whole chapel now in a jar, Jesus goes off target in a situation in 21st century whereby government is solution as of everywhere in the world. The whole chapel on a neighbor in a time with the CCTV camera monitoring sacrament. One of Zulu the other day, I think in Imo State, they did the solution to detect on Zulia CCTV camera, human ideology to protect man. Na either sacrament is coach them. It is a practical solution to chain and a sacrament, which is CCTV camera mount to say, or now watch CCTV camera sacrament. Only be so free at Chubonia or the Okama. The Okama. I may long my ebe. Can you saludo? Can you name a leaf? Can you finish it? Can you play Zaka Jaffa or Zibundu one, Bulbulu? Can no women can never tell no why? Can no do be unwell? Can no do I not that? What is it be mad that I be supporting me to do the needful, to stick on my truth? And I would again. In what episode,